get a perspective from Krishnan, who is now joining us on the phone line. Krishnan, just request you to stay on with us for a minute. Prakash Industries has declared numbers, just wanted to address it. The profit numbers on your screen, 131 versus 71. We'll wait and watch for more details that come, but that's a stock that should be in focus going ahead. Krishnan, coming on ICICI Bank, a 10% move. Do you think this is a relief rally coming in after subdued valuations were there and the management has reduced the slippage quite drastically?
Yeah, hi, May. Thanks for having me on the show. So, very clearly, there is an element of relief that the worst of the NPA cycle is behind for sure in ICICI Bank. Slippages may not quite necessarily be something that you can extrapolate very easily from just the 2Q numbers. As they also mentioned during the earnings call, I think there is an element of lumpiness when it comes to corporate slippages. So you can't quite time it as to which quarter the slippage will go through. That's how I would read the results. Very clearly, it's a big confidence booster to the fact that the NPA cycle is now behind for ICICI Bank.
So, you've already seen the stock today, Krishnan, up by about 9%. A second quarter, a lot of the overhangs to do with the top leadership also taken care of in the quarter under review. Having said that, you're still seeing a corporate governance report and a due diligence report that's still being carried out by the law firm, by Justice Sri Krishna, etc. Going forward, what's your call on the stock?
So we have a buy rating on the stock with a target price that implies even from these levels after a 10% rally, there is what money to be made in the stock. So nearly 15% upside even from these levels. But more importantly, I think it revolves around the fact that the mix is now beginning to change. They are now becoming a lot more retail, a lot more granular. If they can add certain ROA engines, high ROA engines that helps them deliver better profitability, I think it can get re-rated even further. A lot of distractions from the past in terms of, the Sri Krishna committee report, etc. Those would be overhangs for a while, but I don't expect any financial implications from this, from those investigations to be too steep. So,
Right. Krishnan, thanks so much for that perspective. View is that the numbers are decent and you could expect a further re-rating.